What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I know it's been a couple of days. I want to thank everybody out there, however, for tuning in today, man. You could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me right now. I appreciate you guys, man. You guys seen we got pretty much everything taken care of on the bikes. We shipped our 2021 Road Glide Special off. Now it's time to finally go deliver that thing to my dog David all the way over there in Philadelphia. Yes, man, the East Coast. I can't wait to get over there. Can't wait at all, man. It's been a few days since we've been on the net, but we've been having some personal stuff to deal with, along with our truck has been in the shop, man. We can't even go pick up a bike, and our truck should be done today, I'm hoping so. So if that is what it is, man, we'll be going to pick up another bike pretty soon. We did win a 2014 Road King. Not talking about this bike, but you guys already know my style. I already got the lowers for that. You guys know I can't wait to put my Everything Regular twist on that. So that thing should be here this upcoming week. Can't wait. Meanwhile, man, we about to head to Philly, go drop off this Road Glide Special. Then when we come back, we should have a 2020 Road Glide Special. At least I'm hoping so. Let's cross our fingers and hope for the best. Meanwhile, we already got our 2014 Road King, and we're looking at a Road Glide right now, man. So hopefully we'll get a new setup on the Road Glide and the Road King back to back. You guys see that special back there with that blue and yellow. I can only imagine what the next bikes are gonna look like. Meanwhile, if you guys did enter to win one of my bikes, man, head over to my YouTube channel. In the community section, you will see the list of all the names. Everybody who bought a hat, everybody who bought an Everything's Regular hat, you are entered, you are on the list. It's like 12 pages, 3 different posts, man. Please find your name. It is on there. It is not on there, man. So all you got to do is head over to my community post, scroll down a little bit. You'll see the list of all the names, and we will be going live on this thing Friday at 6 p.m. man. I can't wait. Usually I would have did it last week, but the way things are set up now, people still not understanding that everything is made to order. So when they lose, a lot of the times people will say they didn't get their product, which is cool, I understand, but you got to understand everything is pre-ordered and shipped out when I get them. It's not like I can just go down there and make them myself, you know. Everything is made to order. So that's why we were waiting this time to get all those hats and stuff shipped out, just so we won't have no altercations, no confusions, no none of that good stuff. So when we go live, everything will be shipped out, and you might just have your hat when we go live. So I can't wait. Hats should be here today, so we're gonna get those things shipped out momentarily. You guys see all my shipping stuff back here, so we're gonna get it going, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got a long day ahead of us and a couple plane rides, man. So let's get on up out of here, dog. What's up, man? Welcome back to another Everything's Regular video, man. We've been on a long freaking flight. We are in Atlanta on our way to Philly right now, so I can't wait to get there, man. We got a long way to go. Been kind of a crazy morning, man. Almost missed our flight, had to use that clear stuff, but we are on our way to Philly to drop off our bike, our 2021 Road Glide Special, man. We got another flight to catch, so I can't wait to get there. It's sunny right now, so I'm hoping it's no rain still when we get there, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Man, we done finally made it off the plane. Out here in Philadelphia, it's cloudy as heck, man. Y'all know how it be out here on the East Coast, man. It's probably gonna be ending up raining soon. All the above, man. I thought we was gonna be able to get a delivery today, but as you see, it's probably like 5, 6 o'clock already now, and it's about to be little to like no light out here. So early in the morning, we're gonna link up with our dog Jason and go drop off that 2021 Road Glide Special to our dog David. Yes, man, we are on the East Coast, man. I can't wait. I love being out here. It's time to go to South Street, give me a Philly cheese steak. I can't wait, man. That was like the highlight of my trip. I ain't gonna hold you. I've been thinking about that the whole plane ride. So we did already hopped off the plane, came to the rental car place. Check out our rental car, y'all. Yeah, so they gave us like a 2022, I believe, BMW 4 Series. I ain't gonna even hold you. It fits right in. Hopping out of my car and getting into one of these, man. It's pretty fresh. I am not gonna even hold you. I can barely talk right now. Pretty clean car. Pretty clean little whip. I can dig it. I can dig it, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We about to slide. We got the sunroof and everything, man. We out of here, dog. Just pulled up to Jim's Steaks right now. Let's check it out. Look, we out on South Street, dude. Messing up my background with the usher. Out here, man. I ain't trying to get copyrighted. Y'all see what's going on, though, man. Big Steaks. About to go up. Let's see it. They making that joint. Oh, he got 3 of them. Hold on there, man. That shit look fabulous. Can't wait. Oh man, I ain't gonna even hold y'all. This thing right here looks amazing. Literally amazing. It looks a mess, but it looks so good, man. I can't wait. I'm about to see if it tastes like the same like last time. Alrighty, guys. Next morning here, man, we done went to sleep, woke up. We was in that hotel back there. Yeah, pretty cool city, man. We ended up eating our Philly cheesesteak last night. We had 2 of them. We literally only ate 1. That thing put us out. As soon as we laid down, it was like a wrap, man. So early in the morning here, it's supposed to be raining soon, but it's looking pretty good. You guys know this is like my type of weather, man. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it ain't raining. You know what time it is. We're gonna be on our way to David's crib in a couple hours. I'm gonna go upstairs, shower, switch out, and then we're gonna be good to go, man. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. This how the cars come out freaking on the East Coast. You know, they don't got no big old parking lot downstairs. They got like elevators. That thing look crazy. Damn. Alrighty, guys, man, we done got through traffic. It was like a freaking marathon today. We had to go a whole opposite way, travel through the boonies on a 2-way street for like 20 miles, man. But we are just about at David House. My guy Jason is already there, man. So hopefully he didn't open up the door. So let's get to it. Let's pull up, hop out, and meet my dog David for the first time, because we didn't even get to see him on FaceTime yet, man. So let's hop out and see what's good. It's a first for everything, man. I just knew you was gonna be like, all right, man, I'm still in traffic. I'm like 45 minutes out. What's up, man? Good seeing you, dog. We out here in freaking Philly, man. I haven't even called the winner yet, so let's see if he home. You think he home? I'm gonna try to go like ring the doorbell and see what's up. This is this one. Oh, okay. See, this time is different, guys. We about to do like an MTV Cribs exhibit, pimp my ride type of thing, where I'm coming to their door. Yes, sir. It's your boy, everything's regular, man. We out here outside of David's crib. He don't even know we outside yet, man. So this is like our little pimp my ride special of the Harley Davidsons, man. It's a little bit different. So we gonna see what's up. Let's see. United States Marine Corps. He probably already know we outside. Then again, it look like they still sleeping. It's Sunday. I don't know. I'm gonna call him 74.
Yeah.
Like a 1974?
1974.
Yeah.
That thing is fully restored. That thing's crazy.
Wow. It looks really clean. This look like some Pablo Escobar was on in Narcos or something. That's actually really what it looked like. I don't want to walk on broke grass, but gonna see what's good. David, what's up, man? How you doing, dog? What's up, man? How you doing?
What's going on,
Good seeing you, dog. Nice meeting you, man.
Same here.
Man, my God, dude, it's finally nice meeting you, dog. This is the winner of our 2021 Road Glide special, man. We didn't pull up silent. You didn't even know he was here,
I
huh?
didn't even know. I was waiting for a phone call.
Hey, he was waiting for a phone call. See, I was going to do the Pin My Ride special and walk up to the door, man, but it was looking kind of dark. I didn't want to wake nobody up, man. So I'm
I've
like,
been up since 4 o'clock in the morning.
oh, see, then there we go. It would have been perfect, man. How you doing, man?
Not bad, man. Just chilling here.
Hey,
Some
man.
cheesesteak?
I did get a cheesesteak. I did, man. I got 2 of them yesterday. That's what put me out. That's why I didn't hit you back yesterday. I kind of fell like right to sleep, dog.
Right.
It was like a wrap. But, man, I'm looking in your garage, dog. I see like that white and black CVO thing. That's really like my favorite like CVO street glide, dog. I ain't going to even hold you. Don't tell me that's yours, man.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Y'all see how he coming, man. My dog got the CVO, man. We're going to have to pull that out pretty soon. But I want you to check out the bike. He's about to unstrap it and like pull it out so we can take a look at that. Yes, sir, man. It's real.
Call my son.
He said, I gotta call my son.
He's sleeping right now.
Oh, he sleeps,
Oh,
yeah.
my God, I'm gonna wake his ass up.
Hey, man, it's game time, dog.
Chris.
Tell Chris to wake up, man.
Chris, get up.
Chris,
He's
where you
here.
at?
My bike is here. This is crazy.
Chris, where you at, man? Pull up.
Coming up. He's the one that got the wallet.
Oh, yeah, pull up. Oh, so he won it for you.
Yeah. He
Oh,
won it for me.
hey, man, shout out to Chris, man. Hey, that's dope, man.
This is crazy.
That's dope. And you got my favorite #1 Harley Davidson shirt. I literally haven't seen this color scheme yet, though. That's like exclusive, man. You got me beat on that one. I ain't gonna even hold you. You got me beat, dog. You got me beat. Here we are, 2021 Road Glide special. My dog Jason with the everything regular special hat on today. See, that's what I'm talking about, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. See, it's going to be a little different for you, man. You got the 117 already, man. So this might be not up to your standards, man. He said anything is my standards, man. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it here first. 2021 Road Glide special. All the way out here in Philadelphia with my dog David, man. You see what's going on? Yes, sir, man. Everything's regular. My dog Jason got this for sure. Yes, sir. Say you gonna pull it in the driveway. Yes, sir. That thing looks good, man. You excited or what, man?
That wheel is killer.
You like the wheels?
Yeah, man, that's killer. Yo, it looks way better in person.
Yeah.
Oh,
See, I was just about to ask you because on the screen you can only see so much, you know.
Right. Nah, absolutely.
So he said he liked the wheels. Oh, bet we get an up close and personal with them both together, man. The CVO and the Road Glide special, man. You killing them right now. I'm trying to get like you, man.
Oh man, no way.
I'm trying to get like you, dog.
Man, this is inspiring.
Let's check this thing out, man.
Yo, 120, 125.
Hey, man, you better go get the new hats, man. You could be next. Tell them.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
125, dog.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it here first.
Yeah, man. Holy crap.
Yeah, don't hesitate to get up on that thing and check it out, man. Oh, yeah, I see where you was talking about, too.
A little bit of dust on it.
Yeah.
Wow, this
Yeah,
is
one of the
crazy.
roads I was on in Iowa was dusty, so there's a little bit of dust on it, but not a ton.
Nah, you're good. This thing is looking nice, man. We out here in these Philadelphia streets, man. That's dope. Y'all see what's going on. Got the 21 on there with the red buttons on there for you. And the crash bar, man, I'm sending that to you. You guys, you seen it came after we shipped the bike off. But as you already got a Harley, it ain't no dropping no bikes for you. So that's not going to be a big thing. But you guys see it here first, man. You can,
My short legs, I need some.
hey, man, you can hop on it, whatever you want to do. Take it for a spin, whatever you want to do, man.
God, this is crazy.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to soak it in.
He said, I'm trying
If
to.
I want to take it for a spin, I will. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
You're more than welcome to.
You know, for sure.
You in one.
You know, for sure.
I told
I
him
was
I'm
telling him.
buying some more merch, man. Yeah, he had this blue. It's got this blue and gray one. I think
Yeah.
it's already done.
Yeah.
All
Beautiful
it took-
bike,
all
dude.
it took was one ticket. That's it.
Hey, all it took was one. See, they don't understand that, man. All it take was one. It could be you next.
That blue and gray one he got over there, though. Oh man.
He was like, that one's mine,
As
man.
soon as I saw it, I was like,
that blue.
I'd ride that in a heartbeat. I'm just saying.
Hey, man, that's funny,
I'm not a
dog.
Harley dude, but that's a nice bike. I'll tell you what.
You know, this one's
I like
clean,
the gold
too.
one, too.
Oh, yeah, you like the gold one?
I bought another ticket just in case.
Oh, just in case. Hey, man, we going live next week on that one, man. So tune in. You might get lucky enough. Man, my dog is killing, man. You got to pull this one out for us real quick, dog. We got to see these. They like both red and black, so that's like really your color, man. I ain't going to even hold you.
I got that one kind of the opposite color of my car.
Oh, yeah, no, that's sick, man. That's sick, dog. You got the CVO, Street Glide CVO. That thing is sick. That's nice. Yeah, that thing is sick, dog.
You can take it out.
Yeah, I can take it out. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, Jason, you want to hold this for me real
Yeah,
quick?
man.
Appreciate you, man.
Anytime.
He said, you can take it out. All right. Bet. Say less. Yeah, you know I want one of these.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this one's cool. It's way lighter than that one, I feel like. Dang.
Oh, he even has engine work done too. He's got
Yeah.
red and black on the engine too.
Yeah, no, this one's sick. I don't want to take it all the way down. I just want to pull it out. Let's see.
There's a little bump there on the garage.
I can fit it right here. Oh, he said I can start it. That's what that sounds like, man. Let's hear this joint.
He's like, you ride him all the time.
No,
Go for it.
I don't normally get to do this, man. It's always the winner starting up the bike first, man. He wanted to put me out his way. He's like, hey, man, you check it out. So I'm definitely going to check it out, man.
Oh, they sound really similar too.
Yeah.
Good sound to it.
I like it. You're not going to go nowhere, man. We're just going to pull it around.
This is crazy.
Yeah, that red and black looks good together. It really does.
Yeah.
I can't drive no $50,000 bike. I can't drive the $50,000 one. Man, how you feeling, dog?
Yeah,
It's your day, man.
I'm like,
It's your day, man. I feel like I'm enjoying it more than you, man.
I'm so excited. You have no idea.
He said,
I never won anything in my life.
hey, man, it's time, man. It's a time for everything, man.
I'm like still trying to soak it in. It's like, this is unreal.
That's dope, man. Don't hesitate to hop on that thing, get a feel for it, man. I know you got the 117, but you know the 114 is real nice too, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Hey, they look real good together. See this black and red scheme with this like white, black and red scheme. You got like literally the best of both worlds. CVO Street Glide and the special in the Road Glide, man. That's dope. Does Chris ride too?
Nah.
Nah. Hey, well, it's time now. Y'all got the best of the bikes, man. These is the joints.
And my other son, he's in the Marines.
Yeah.
That's the first thing he said. I'm gonna ride the other one. That's what.
Hey, it's game time then. That's funny, dog. Yeah, no, that's sick, man. Y'all see it here first. This is the 2021, right?
Yeah, 21.
Yeah, 2021 CVO Street Glide with the 117 on there. It's got the speakers in the saddlebags. I'm loving this thing. You guys see this one is still on the showroom floor along with the 2021 Road Glide Special.
I gotta get on. I gotta hop.
Oh, yeah, man. Let's see what you got going, man. Let's go. Let's see, man. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put my GoPro on just in case you want to take it around so I can get that first thing real quick. You got a Harley, so this ain't nothing to back this thing out and get that cruise around the block or something, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. This thing is nice. I like this one a lot. These pipes on this thing is crazy. The color on this is like a titanium type of anodized type of color. And then this little chin spoiler down here looks so sick. I'm loving it. Got the whole little blackout kit. Man, he still got the freaking sticker on there. He said it's only like 200 miles on this thing. That's nuts. That is nuts, dog. But he about to slide this thing, about to get it going.